So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for the graph. Let's go ahead and break down what we expect the market to do right now in the graph, because originally we thought that the price was going to go up, and you can see that there were a couple of times to where price attempted to go higher, but unfortunately the market didn't give us our expectations. Probably 2 days into our price prediction there, and then again on the 26th and 27th of October. You guys can see it though, so we can't act like we're surprised that the market and the graph didn't break out and go higher, because we were already seeing this price getting knocked down at this sell pocket right here. Okay, so this was the third time that price got rejected at this sell pocket, which is why price completely cratered on November the 3rd. So unfortunately, this one didn't go well for us. Outside of us not knowing the reason why, we do know the reason why, and it just went that way. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here, and we're going to try to talk about if the graph is going to continue to go down, because right now, yes, the market does still look weak. The opportunity for us to see price break through these sell pockets to give us any assurance that price was strong was right here during this time period, October 21st, 26th, and then 27th. So these were the opportunities for us to actually see this cryptocurrency break out, and it didn't. So now we have to start thinking, is this cryptocurrency actually still bullish? I'm sorry, if it's still bearish or not. So you can see right here on the 1 hour chart that we can identify where these buyers are actually coming into the market in the graph. So they're coming in right here. Okay, so this area is going to play a very important role for us to know whether or not the market is still maintaining momentum, or is it gaining strength in this cryptocurrency or not. Okay, I wanted to try to look at this on the 10th of October to see if there's another pocket for the graph. See if I add this one here. Okay. So we'll just keep this area right here for the time being in the graph. And let's go ahead and add this area here as a sell pocket for the graph. And let's go to do another one. Like another one's going to be up here for the graph right there. So now we look at this on the daily chart. You guys can pretty much see that this market is maintaining some weakness. I'm sorry, not weakness, but strength on these last 3 days. Right here on the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. So 3 consecutive days that we've seen buyers try to come in and hold this pocket. That's very good to see. Let's look at this on the 2-day chart. Yeah, that's very good to see too, because we didn't see the follow through from this 2-day price bar. You guys can see it, that the market did trigger a sell signal. However, the market and the graph did not go lower, and went up instead. So that's very good to take note of that as well too. Okay, so we may actually try to anticipate this, just like we did on our last video. Look for the graph to try to go higher in price. Okay, just a real quick look. The FOREX still looks weak though. Okay, so let's not get too complacent and think that this market is ready to massively explode like some other cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency space today, like Filecoin and ICP. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to waste our time today. We're just going to go ahead and look for this cryptocurrency to go higher, albeit, just like I told you the last time, we already marked a territory where we can suspect the market to try to react and begin to go down. Okay, so if that happens, you guys would know the reason why. All right, so let's put this back on a daily, and we're going to try to target not that first sell pocket in the graph, but this second one right here in between 0.058. That's 3.97% there at the high. Gives around like 6 3/4 at 0.06058. And then let's see if we can do another one. Let's see this on the 30-minute. And then let's add one here. That's going to be our third target. Which would be like 10% move to the upside. Now everything's going to be contingent definitely on this one BIPOC. We do not want to see the market break that, because if it does, then again, it won't come as no surprise, because this cryptocurrency is definitely in a downtrend. Okay, so we haven't changed that yet. So it's kind of like we're bucking the system, i.e. the trend from going down, for us playing the small move to the upside in the graph. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days, but as of right now, that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.